Imagine a world where everyone has access to expert exercise guidance, regardless of their location or budget. A world where fear of injury no longer keeps people from staying active, and where personalized training is affordable for all. That world is finally possible. I'm Courtney Clapper, CEO of Reforma, and we're revolutionizing the fitness industry with AI-powered movement technology that provides personalized form correction anywhere you work out. This mission is deeply personal to me, for my journey from injured athlete to chronically ill to Pilates instructor has shown me firsthand why the solution is so desperately needed. Regular exercise is one of the most powerful tools we have for disease prevention and overall health. Yet America is facing an exercise crisis. Only 28% of Americans meet the recommended physical activity levels each week. This physical inactivity is projected to cost healthcare systems a staggering $300 billion from 2020 to 2030. When I was diagnosed with autoimmune arthritis, similar to rheumatoid, at age 15, doctors emphasized that regular exercise would be crucial for managing my condition. Like millions of Americans, I faced three major barriers. I couldn't find targeted resources to understand how to work out safely and effectively. Private training at $150 per session was financially out of reach, and I was afraid of getting hurt. It's why I eventually became a certified Pilates instructor, and why many others do too, not with the goal of teaching, but to try to understand how to move their body safely and effectively during exercise. And this problem isn't just affecting consumers. It's creating major challenges for fitness studio owners and instructors too. I've spoken with dozens of instructors who describe the same impossible situation. Classes are growing larger to meet demand and remain profitable, but this makes providing personalized form correction nearly impossible. So one instructor told me, I can have 20 people in a class, but I can only physically correct one person at a time, leaving 19 others wondering if they're doing it right. Instructors report extreme burnout trying to give personalized attention to every student. One instructor explained, I see someone doing something that could cause injury, but I'm already helping another student. By the time I get to them, they've already done the movement incorrectly 15 times. And with the instructor shortage crisis, 3 open positions for every qualified instructor available, studios are forced to run larger classes with fewer expert eyes. It's a painful trade-off between growth and quality that no studio owner wants to make. This is why we built Reforma. Reforma makes improving exercise forms simple and accessible, exactly what I was searching for throughout my fitness journey. Correct exercise form isn't just about avoiding injuries. It dramatically increases workout effectiveness. When movements are performed correctly, you engage the right muscles, maximize results, and progress faster. This is the insight that drove me to create Reforma. Here's how it works. Users create an account on our app. At their fitness studio, they scan a QR code at their workout station. Our in-room computer vision cameras record their movements. Our patent-pending machine learning model analyzes their form. They receive personalized form feedback and guidance in the palm of their hand. Now, everyone can receive personalized fitness feedback and support, no matter their body, budget, or background. Our technology is elegant in its simplicity, providing real-time form scores, personalized coaching, and performance metrics. The comprehensive guidance I spent years and thousands of dollars in instructor-teacher training seeking. And unlike our competitors who require users to purchase expensive hardware, our studio-based model makes high-quality guidance accessible without the upfront cost barrier.
Our system uses computer vision to detect joint positions and key posture landmarks during a workout. Then, we use a supervised learning model, starting with a random forest classifier, to label each rep as correct or as one of several common mistake types. Each label maps to a feedback line, and we introduce a 10-frame delay to avoid false positives, only surfacing feedback when the model has high confidence. The system is designed to work on edge devices, keeping costs low and responsiveness fast, a core requirement for real-time feedback. To train the model, we collected instructional videos of proper and improper form for 3 foundational movements: lunges, planks, and clamshells. We used Google's media pipe to extract frame-by-frame pose data, then labeled each segment with its form class. At first, we tried manually simulating incorrect form, but it quickly became unsafe and inconsistent. So we launched a pilot with Sports Park Gym to collect real-world video data from consenting students. This gave us data across diverse bodies, real lighting conditions, and authentic mistakes. The model continuously improves as we expand our dataset, and each class recorded adds more labeled examples. Over time, we'll shift from static classification to personalized prediction, where feedback adapts to each user's history. This closes the loop between data, prediction, and feedback, a key concept from supervised learning pipelines. Once a user begins moving, our model evaluates joint angles and range of motion frame by frame. We assess rep quality, flag consistent deviations, and deliver one correction at a time. We track rep count, tempo, accuracy scores, and trends over time. Our long-term vision includes generating personalized recommendations based on movement history and recovery goals, not just momentary mistakes. Eventually, each user will receive movement summaries tied to their form data, helping them progress faster and safer. Reformer augments the human instructor rather than replacing them. In packed classes, it's impossible to monitor 20 students at once, especially in nuanced modalities like Pilates. We reduce the instructor's cognitive load by tracking posture in real time and surfacing form risks they might not catch. That's the core of augmentation, human plus machine working together. From a studio's perspective, this is a plug-and-play solution. They install our camera system for free and earn 30% of all student subscriptions with no additional effort.
What makes Reforma unique in this space? When you look at competitors like Peloton, Tonal, and Tempo, Reforma is the only solution that delivers on all four critical factors. Personalized form correction, the guidance I desperately needed but couldn't access. Low cost and scalable deployment, making expert instruction affordable for everyone. Designed for anywhere you work out, adapting to your environment rather than requiring expensive equipment. And built to support all fitness modalities, because fitness journeys evolve, as mine has, from rehab to strength training to boxing to Pilates. While our competitors require consumers to purchase expensive hardware, often $2,000 for a single machine that only supports limited exercise types, Reforma leverages existing studio infrastructure to deliver superior guidance without that cost barrier. Our technology is inherently scalable across all fitness modalities and gym environments, from yoga and Pilates to weightlifting and functional training. This versatility allows us to capture a much broader market than single modality competitors. Our technology provides nuanced, personalized feedback that rivals what you'd get from a human instructor, but a fraction of the cost and available 24/7.
Reforma is a real-world application of supervised machine learning, trained on structured pose data, delivering classification in real time and looping feedback into future predictions. But more than that, it's an example of how AI can solve real business problems by augmenting human professionals. We used simple models and commodity hardware to prove traction. We prioritized interpretability, latency, and trust over deep black box models, because when people move their bodies, clarity and safety matters. Instructors don't want robots replacing them. They want support systems that scale their impact. That's the future we're building at Reforma.
I created the solution I wish I'd had, one that would have prevented injuries, improved my arthritis management, and saved me thousands of dollars in pursuit of proper exercise knowledge. The early market signals couldn't be clearer, from our instantly sold out pilot to the enthusiastic feedback from studio owners and users alike. We've proven the demand, built the technology, and assembled the team. Now we're ready to scale. Join us in revolutionizing fitness and making personalized training accessible to all, because everyone deserves to move with confidence. Thank you.